This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldratt's Theory of Constraints. So John, tell us how the theory of constraint or constraint management works in information technology, right? With all these people, these computers, these projects, and the money and all that.
To understand how constraint management works in IT, we'll start at the operations level and work our way toward the strategic level. At the operations level, constraint management includes 4 applications for managing 1. Processes, 2. Projects, 3. Resources, and 4. Finances. The difference between a process and a project is a process is ongoing, repetitive tasks, as in an assembly line or a call center, while a project is a specific set of mostly non-repetitive tasks completed according to a schedule, as in building construction or a technical consulting engagement. Resources are anything necessary for completion of a process or project, including machines, offices, software tools, and people with particular skills. Finances are used for operational decisions such as which products to produce and in what quantities. In a factory, the constraint management process management application buffers the constraint from variations elsewhere while minimizing work in process. By pulling work through the process based on demand, overall productivity goes up. The same thing happens with projects, which can be completed in less time by buffering the constraint. And it happens with resources, which suffer fewer shortages and overages because constraint management drives replenishment based on demand. Moving to the strategic level, constraint management embodies methods for setting goals, establishing priorities, monitoring competitors, and making investments. The finance solution is useful at all levels, but it's especially valuable when making strategic decisions, such as which strategic IT initiatives to fund. So here's a key question. Is the enterprise constraint in production of IT products and services, or in the offering of IT products and services? If the constraint is in production, the organization is producing the right products and services, and the market will buy it. That internal constraint is an operations problem. On the other hand, if the constraint is in offerings, the organization is not producing the right products and services, and so the market won't buy all of it. In this case, the external constraint is a strategy problem. More about that later. In these videos, we'll talk about solutions to both IT operations and IT strategy problems.
Okay, John, thanks very much. So now we've got an idea of how you apply constraints management to processes, resources, projects, finances and stuff. In the next video we'll talk about Agile and the theory of constraints or constraint management.